Good morning. I wish to my lecturer, Dr. Dina and Mr. Yusof. So today I'm going to present about my final project, Internet of Things and System Integration, code BEB 34303. So the objective for the project is, there are four objectives, which are, the first one is to read temperature, humidity and pressure from the VME sensor using the Node MCU Wi-Fi controller. And then the second one is to convert the temperature reading to the Fahrenheit. And the third one is to classify the temperature and humidity reading. The fourth one is to turn on or off an LED according to the temperature humidity reading. So there are a list of material needed. So the first one is the Node MCU. The second one is the VME sensor. And then you have the LED, mini USB cable, jumper wire, and the software used is the IDE microcontroller. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen now. Okay, so as you can see here, there are 4 tasks. I mean 5 tasks, but the 4th and the 5th is very related. So the first one and the second one is also related. So okay, I'm going to explain for both tasks. So explain connection and upload code to Node MCU microcontroller and the read data from BLE 280 sensor. This one is wrong. Okay, so now I'm going to open my Visual Code. So from the main, okay, I only change the hotspot password and then my name, the name for the hotspot, and then we use the ThinkSpeak, the API key, the IFTT, the favorite, user.net, and our own cloud. This one is my own cloud. So I'm going to use data random because I have problem with my sensor and my sensor can't read the data and I don't know why. Okay, but I already tried it twice, so never mind, we all use the data random. So first, so I'm going to uncomment all the cloud that I want to share. So the cloud that I want to share is ThinkSpeak, Google Sheet, favorite, and my own cloud. Okay, so now I'm going to upload. Okay, so I have uploaded successfully. So this one, okay, for the my own cloud, this is what my ID, my own cloud. Okay, so the sensor chart is like this. Okay, so this is my sensor chart. Okay, there are temperature, humidity, and pressure. For the ThinkSpeak, okay, so we need to open channel and then my channel. Okay. There are some delays, so please be patient. So the BME sensor, but we need to take the API key from here and put into the coding, and then it will automatically run. Okay, as you can see, here is my temperature, my humidity, and also my pressure. Okay. So next is the favorite. So here is the graph of the favorite. So we have the temperature, humidity, and also pressure. Okay. And the last one is the Google Sheet data. Okay, so next, the last one is okay, the next is how to run the Wi-Fi as a server. You need to uncomment line 29, and then you comment the and then you uncomment the run server. Okay, then we control save. See, then kita upload. I have struggled with my connection lately, so yeah. Okay, so first we copy this one, control and then we just paste into here, paste and go. So this is the result. So I have complete my task 1 and task 2.
So for task 3, the temperature reading by the BME sensor is in Celsius. So it's in the line 116 to 117. And then I'm going to upload. So the temperature are going to be in Celsius as shown. Okay, next, so we must uncomment line 116 and 117 to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. So I'm going to upload again. So now the temperature is in Fahrenheit, from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So for task 4 and task 5, I will combine it together in the Yusuf.py. So task 4 is to show the condition of temperature and humidity with a certain level of temperature and humidity, while task 5 is to state the LED that will be turned on and turned off or for a certain condition. So if the temperature is low than 25 and humidity is less than 80, so the LED will turn on, it will display cool and dry. And then if the temperature is less than 25 and the humidity is more than 80, it will display cool and humid and LED 1 is turned on. And if the temperature is between 25 to 30 and the humidity is less than 80, therefore the LED 1 and LED 2 will turn on and it will display acceptable. And if the temperature is between 25 to 30, the humidity is more than 80, therefore the LED 1 and LED 2 will be turned on, so it will display uncomfortable. So if the temperature is more than 30 and the humidity is less than 80, therefore it will be LED 1 and 2 turn on and display hot and dry. So if temperature is more than 30 and humidity is more than 80, the LED 1 and LED 2 will be turned on and display hot and humid. Okay, next, if all the LED turn off, therefore it will be display cannot be acceptable. So now I'm going to upload to see. So LED 1 and LED 2 is turn on, so it is acceptable. That's all from me. Thank you.